Hello my friends, welcome to all my new and returning subscribers to my Southern Kitchen and the 344th episode here on Ellen's Homemade Delights. I'm Ellen. Hope all of you are doing well. It's that time of the year, my friends. It's Mardi Gras and Carnival season. Got my beads on, I'm ready to party. So today's recipe, I'm going to share with y'all one of my favorite Cajun and Creole dishes of all time, shrimp and sausage jambalaya. And my friends, it is the bomb.com. It's going to be so delicious, simple and easy to make. And the best part about this dish is all in one pot. This will be a crowd pleaser and everybody's going to fall in love with this jambalaya. And we're going to bring New Orleans right into your kitchen. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my Cajun and Creole recipes playlist for more recipes from dirty rice to red beans and rice. And also check out my previous video, strawberry gooey butter cake. I'll also post a link to those down below in the description box. So grab your sausage, your shrimp, and your vegetable sugar, because we're about to cook some shrimp and sausage jambalaya magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, here are the ingredients we're going to use for this recipe. In my pan, I have 2 green bell peppers that I diced, or you can use any color. 3 stalks of celery chopped, 1 large onion chopped, and 1 bunch of green onions chopped. In this plate, I have 3 cloves of garlic that I minced. And over here, I have a pound of Andouille sausage that I sliced. In my large pot, I got the fire over medium-high heat. I added some olive oil. We're going to add in the Andouille sausage. Give this a stir. I love that sizzle. Alright, so now we're going to let the sausage brown for about 4 to 5 minutes. Alright my friends, the sausage is nice and brown. So next we're going to add in the Trinity, which is the onions, green onions, celery and bell pepper. A must-have in Cajun and Creole cooking. Also, we're going to add in some salt and some crushed red pepper flakes to help sweat the vegetables. And give that a stir. And we're going to let it cook for about 6 to 7 minutes until the vegetables are soft and translucent. Alright my friends, this is what the Trinity and sausage look like. Nice and soft. Smells good. Alright, that looks great. So now we're going to add in the garlic. And stir this in. And we're going to let it cook for another 3 minutes. Alright my friends, now it's time to add in the other ingredients. We're going to add and stir in 2 cans of diced tomatoes along with the juice. And the seasonings, 1 teaspoon each of cayenne pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder. Now we're going to add in 2 cups of long grain white rice that I washed. Give that a stir. Next, we're going to add in 2 bay leaves, a bundle of fresh thyme, and 4 cups of shrimp stock. And it's just the shrimp tails with water. I'll put the directions and recipe for the shrimp stock down below in the description box. And this is the part here when you taste to see if it needs any more seasoning. So now we're going to cut the fire down to high. And all we do is bring it to a boil. Alright my friends, the jambalaya has came to a boil. So now we're going to cut the fire down to simmer. We're going to cover it and let it cook for 25 minutes. And I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, it's been 25 minutes. Let's take a look at the jambalaya. Oh yeah. Look at those colors. Isn't that pretty? Smells amazing up in this kitchen. Alright. For the final ingredient, we're going to add and stir in a pound of shrimp that I peeled in the vein and washed. And we're going to stir the shrimp in. Want to make sure the rice and the sausage and Trinity bury the shrimp so it'll cook. Alright, so now we're going to cover it. And we're going to let it cook until the shrimp is pink and cook through. Alright my friends, there you have it. Shrimp and sausage jambalaya. Doesn't that look delicious? Alright, so now I'm going to let it cool for a few minutes and then I'll fix me up a plate and I'll give it a taste. My friends, look at that beautiful plate of jambalaya. And I garnish it with some green onions on top. Oh, my mouth's watering. Alright, now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Grab me a little rice, some shrimp. It has the right amount of heat. Shrimp is perfectly cooked. And the rice is tender. It has great balance of flavors. This jambalaya is amazing. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Get a sausage. Love Andouille sausage. Yum-o. Shrimp and sausage jambalaya licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat, much love, and happy Mardi Gras.